Welcome back to the Sunday Business Page.
Well, there's a sweet story to tell of a partnership between a company that manufactures chocolate and Achieva, Southwestern Pennsylvania's largest provider of lifelong services and supports for children and adults with disabilities. TruFood Manufacturing, which recently changed its name from the Tsudis Chocolate Company, is saving $6,000 a month by employing Achieva's clients. That partnership results in meaningful employment and purpose for the workers and improvement in quality control, which saved TruFood at least $72,000 last year. Well, with us this morning on the Sunday Business Page are Marcia Blanco, President and CEO of Achieva, and Pete Tsudis, TruFood Manufacturing's President and CEO. Thanks for you being here with us and really bringing hope and wonderful products to all of us.
Thanks, John.
It's great to have you. Marcia, help us again to understand Achieva. You do wonderful things in this community. Let's make sure everybody knows them.
Oh, thank you, John, and it's so nice to be back. We at Achieva provide lifelong supports for people with more significant disabilities. Services begin right in the home with therapists for little ones who were born with spina bifida, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, very low birth weight, little ones, and they continue through adulthood and latter years, and we just have the whole range of supports available to individuals and their families. Last year, John, we supported over 12,000 individuals and their families.
Isn't that wonderful? 12,000 folks right in this area.
Right in southwestern Pennsylvania.
And one of the things that is so wonderful is when employers, like the gentleman next to you, employ some of the folks that you have.
I can't say enough about it, yeah.
well, let's give Mr. Tsudis a chance to talk about this. Pete, tell us about first your company and then your connection and involvement with Achieva.
Absolutely. Real briefly, the company was started in 1985 by my parents. We've evolved from doing chocolate products, and we named the company Tsudis Chocolate to it's now named TruFood. We do nutrition bars, baked items, and other type of chocolate products. We are a contract manufacturer for many of the brands that you see on the shelves today.
Ah, so you manufacture these chocolates and candies right here.
Right in Pittsburgh.
Right in Pittsburgh, and then they get labeled with something, another label, so people don't see your label necessarily.
No, we're the brand behind the brands.
You're the Now, your involvement with Achieva, you're saving money employing people with disabilities. That's wonderful.
It is. I think that's a small part of it. I think basically what we did is we want to make a difference in people's lives. You know, being an employer in the city means just more than, we have a social responsibility. Right. So we're a creative way to partner with Achieva and actually present a challenge to us where we can employ people as part of our workforce. Right. The savings is important, but it's mostly presenting opportunities, and that to us means everything.
What exactly do these folks do?
What they do is jobs such as unwrapping chocolate products or sorting through items. So it's jobs that we're able to, that we need done, that are valuable, but also match the skill set of the Achieva clients and employees.
I take it, Marcia, this must mean a lot to these individuals and their families.
Oh my goodness, yes. And in particular, it's a mobile workforce, and we have up to 10 individuals a day who travel to the plant and are part of the workforce. They're bringing home a paycheck. They're feeling great about themselves. It provides them, and as well as their family members, a sense of dignity and purpose in the community. And John, as I think you know, the unemployment of people with significant disabilities is a nationwide problem.
I'm sure it is. And trying to find the right jobs that fit the skill sets is really a challenge too, isn't it?
Yes, that, and of course employers who are willing to make that commitment. Yeah. Our commitment at Achieva is that we will be there as long as it takes, with whatever it takes, with job coaching, to be sure that that person's going to be successful with their work. I will tell you that the National Governors Association has indicated that this is their #1 issue this year, and they have decided that they're going to meet in Pittsburgh beginning of May.
Right, I heard that.
Delighted that we're one of 2 cities chosen with 5 individuals who are have specialization in the employment of people with disabilities from each and every state. Will be coming in for a 2-day strategy session to develop new strategies to assure the governors that they can implement initiatives to better the employment.
And I know that there must be other companies out there who provide this help, and we've just had your website up on the screen here.
Oh, great.
Because I know that anybody who wants to participate and follow Pete's good example can do so.
They can, and we would be there again for the backup and the training for that person to be successful in their job.
Well, thank you both very much. Congratulations for your service. Again, Marcia, everything you do is wonderful.
We are so pleased and proud of this company.
And we're glad too.